Well, I'm very delighted that it is being performed in mainland Europe, because, as you say, it's only so far really been performed in England mostly. The connection with Sweden was that actually I did a tryout in Sweden before the first performance. I had a friend in Stockholm and he said we'd like to do it, so the very first performance was over there, and the work had been commissioned by Lady Diane Digby, who is a great sponsor and benefactor for the arts, and she commissioned the work from me originally.